Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and download Windows 11 on Windows PC. So let's just start. Go to browser, type Windows 11 download. I'll put the link in the description so you guys make sure to check it. So when it shows up this page, scroll down till you see this download Windows 11 this image ISO for x64 device, or you can also use create Windows installation media. So for this method you just click on select download, on this confirm, select the product languages. Now you're gonna choose the language of your country in your region, but I'm going to use the create a Windows installation media method. You can use this or Windows 11 installation media, it's depend on you guys. So when it's downloaded, it will show up as a file called media creation tool. Now at this point you can use the recommend one of Microsoft, or you can untick this, choose the language as lots of other languages. Now you can use the method of flash to a USB flash drive and an ISO file, but I'm going to use the ISO file method so I can flash more USB in the future. Click on next. Now you're gonna save the Windows images, so I'm going to write into Windows 11. Now go to downloads. You can save it anywhere you want, but I'm going to save download. Click on save. Now you just wait for it to complete the progress. Alright, so when the work is done, you're just gonna click on finish. Alright, so that is how you download, create ISO file and use it. So in the next video I will show you guys how to flash it on a USB flash drive and also install it on a disk. So this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe and share button and watch my new video. I will see you next video soon. Goodbye.